Like he used to wake up early in the morning, and he used to take a mobile phone in his hand, and he used to spend a lot of connections, LinkedIn connections, and there are a lot of messages will be running from one device to other device. That
Right.
kind of hard work and the dedication which he's putting in. Along with that, he's doing his professional work, plus he's adding the more content. Not only content,
Hi,
like
Tejan.
adding the values in all others' life.
Thanks for joining,
Yeah,
Tejan. Stay till the end.
yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I totally- yeah. So he's not only adding the content just like that. Few people are there. I've seen it's not like that. I'm not mentioning the name or something. Like as I right from my childhood, I used to go through the content that won't
Right,
grab the attention. So we just watch and
right.
we come out and we feel that I want to be a YouTuber. I want to earn these many subscribers, and I just want a
Exactly.
few 1,000 or 20,000 viewers so that I can monetize my channel. So in
Hmm.
case if I'll take Vikram's name, he's not falling into that bucket. As I've seen him closely, the way he put up the contents in all the social media platform, that he used to deep dive a lot. Like if suppose if I'll talk about self awareness today, he will research on that particular topic, and he will write down the things, and he will put his own views on that content. Then he will come up with
Thank you
that
so much.
videos. So I'm just not
Right.
praising him in front of you. He has put in a lot of time and energy to come up with that content, and that is that shows that like subscribers are there in his YouTube channel. So
Right,
it's
right.
really
Thank
awesome.
you so much. Thank you
Yeah,
so much, Sum.
anytime, brother.
So, like,
Anytime. My
yeah, so, yeah, yeah. So, what I want audience to take, thank you, Sachin, for joining. So, like, what I want audience to take away is like, if you ask me, Vikram, hard work versus smart work. So, my answer will be hard work. So, people follow hard work. You need to do lot of hard work. If you want to do something great, it takes hard work. So, work hard and you will surely get
absolutely,
something. Thank you so much for
absolutely.
that appreciation. Thank you, Sachin. Stay till the end, man.
I Sachin, please stay tuned ahead. Yeah.
Right.
So I just want to understand, like you have made 10,000 plus connections in LinkedIn. So what
Mhm.
made you to get that connection? Uh, could you please throw a limelight on that?
So say Sumuk, like for all the age group of from 22 to 45, 50, whatever it is, like this age group, I want people to be there on LinkedIn. If you don't have Facebook, if you don't have Facebook app, you don't have Instagram, it's fine, but you need to have LinkedIn. LinkedIn is the place for us where you can explore yourself. See what happens to Sumuk, like we all are from middle class, and what happens to job is the main thing which we want. Everyone works very hard, everyone complete their education, but the thing is that you never get a job, you hustle a lot, but they don't know what to do. So LinkedIn is the place for us where if you have more connections, your reach is more, and you start exploring your LinkedIn profile. And LinkedIn is the place, like it's the professional site where you can get any kind of the job which you want. So that is how it started. Like if you have more connection, you can see lot of posts, and now it's happening that I can see the post of every post I can see is like people are hiring, people want new freshers, and that sort of thing. So if anyone is dropping me a message saying that Vikram, I was looking for a job, could you please help me? So it's very easy for me to share them that post. So that is how it is happening. And 10,000 connection, like why am telling you that this connection is important, because see, our reach is bigger. We have more connections. When we have more connection, you post something, people will watch it. And if you post, suppose if you want to switch from one job to another job, if you just post, like if you put on one post of you switching your job from one organization to another, so many people will view it, and when they view it, one or the
Absolutely.
another will surely come and they will like they will answer your post, or they will give that opportunity for you. So it's just that I'm creating that more opportunity for myself. And even if it happens that, like, see, now it happened that most of them have lost their job in pandemic, and they really don't know what to do, how to get the job. And LinkedIn is the place for us. We need to be there on LinkedIn. You need to have those connection, and everything is free, man. Like we don't need to pay anything. If, to be very honest, if it happened that we need to pay for each and every connection, I would have never connected single person. But it's everything is free. Internet is making us available everything. So let us explore this. So that is how I started setting the connection with Rahul Bhattagar mentorship. He told me to explore LinkedIn. So that is how I started creating, like started sending more of connections to all the LinkedIn and LinkedIn people. And that is how I gained 10,000 connections. Now it's 12,000, but it happened over a period of the time. So this will keep me like, see, whoever are in my connect, whoever is in my environment, I will be able to help them. I will be able to push them. And I also keep telling that if you want job, LinkedIn is the place for you. You need to be on LinkedIn and you need to explore LinkedIn and that stuff.
Got it. Got it. So you said me that you need to work on LinkedIn. So everyone will be having a profile in Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook,
Right.
all over the platform except LinkedIn. So even I have seen my friends, and I was in that same bucket before creating my account. So there
Mhm.
are people, they used to say that LinkedIn is not meant for me, it's not made for me. So I'm happy with the Facebook, I'm happy with this. But the end of a day, they used to say that, Maga, please one job codes kodo. I just want a job from you.
Yeah.
I'm a fresher,
Mhm.
or due to this
Mhm.
pandemic lockdown, I lost my job, right?
Right.
So would you like to share a message for these freshers and the person who has lost their jobs in this pandemic situation?
Yeah, definitely, man. So this is like I really love to tell people. If you have lost job or if you're like if you want to switch to some other job, you need to be on LinkedIn. And just not being on LinkedIn, you need to start sending connections to all the HR wherever you want to go. Like if it is Bangalore, Mumbai, wherever it is, just filter that place for you and start sending connections to the all HR. Once you send that connection, ping them personally, ask them, create one message. In that message you should ask them like, I have lost the job or I want to switch a job, do you have any opportunity for me? And this message should be like going to each and every connections which you are getting every day for 4 to 5 months or probably like 1 year. What happens now, Sumuksi, we like we what we do, like even I had did this earlier. Whenever we lost job, we will ask 2 3 person, we will tell them that I lost my job, I need your help. They will ask once,
Right.
they will ask twice, they will ask thrice maximum, and then they will drop it.
Absolutely.
So
Yeah.
yeah, we like we have that our own belief that I should ask, or they are bigger than me, or I am
Yeah, we
not
all
like
came up with the same face, right?
exactly. So I'm not capable enough. I should not ask him. I should not disturb them. So that is all like mindset, Sumo. You just need to ask. You need to like start setting the connections to each and every like whenever there's a connection. Like LinkedIn is like very organic platform. It shows on. It keeps on showing you new connections. So start sending them start sending them the connection. They will not come and they will not eat you or they will not kill you. That's not possible. So like what will happen maximum, they will not reply you or they will not answer your message. That's the thing. But there are possibilities that someone might reply. So we need to be on LinkedIn, we need to send that connection and we need to start asking to all the HRs like, I need a job, I have a I want to switch a job, like, do you have any opportunity? And apart from this, if you're creating a short video of yourself explaining you what you have done, are you a fresher, explain that you are a fresher and create a small video of 1 to 2 minutes, and along with the request, along with that message, send them this resume and send them this video. So what will happen if you send
Oh,
like for 4 to 5 months, for 6 months, 7 months, so trust me, one or the other HR will reply you. She will tell that there is an opportunity and they will connect with you. So that is how we should gain the opportunity. We fail to not work. We high like we stay in that comfort zone by like why should I ask? I will get the job, and they wait for opportunity to come themselves. That will never happen. We need to ask more, and asking more is the game. And LinkedIn is the place for us. So one advice is like more connection, and this connection should be for all the HRs. And second thing is that you need to shoot your resume. Plus, you need to ask them. Keep on asking for 6 7 months. Do this for 6 to 7 months. Surely you will get a job. And once you get the job, you will be happy to do that job. So that's the thing.
great, great, great message to all the freshers and the people who have lost their jobs in this pandemic situation. Thanks for sharing this,
Yeah.
man. More